We absolutely love Chef's Table, and part of that is the Salted Caramel Espresso Martini. Our recent sailing on the Allure of the Seas, they divulged the secret recipe.
So Martini for you. We have the ice, and we have dark rum, Bacardi Ocho, which is Bacardi 8. So let's begin. I'm going to start with the espresso first. It's 1 ounce of espresso. One ounce of caramel syrup. It's salted caramel.
Secret ingredient.
Yes. The good stuff.
Oh, stop.
1 ounce of Bacardi rum, Bacardi 8.
Wow.
And we have whole cream, half ounce of that. It's more than half. Really thick.
Be a creamy one.
Okay, and the best part. A little bit of shake. Actually, a good shake needed because of
That
cream.
caramel.
Get all the stuff inside.
Wow. Did you make notes of that?
Any anniversaries, birthdays over here today?
My birthday was last Friday.
Last Friday? It's okay,
I'm
that
just
counts.
saying.
That counts. That counts.
goes to her,
Of course.
It can be my birthday if you like.
Just gotta remind me.
And we have the beans.
Yes, I
Not
got
forget the beans.
Oh, yeah.
Exactly.
Okay,
And
that's
I've
it.
always said that.
And that is for you, Mom. Belated happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
So we will be sending more in a minute. Enjoy.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
An absolutely wonderful drink and a truly amazing experience. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more, please consider subscribing. It means a lot to us and helps our channel grow.